Hello everyone and welcome back in a new learning topic in ArcGIS Pro. Today I will present a new tool I have created. The tool will generate a 2D seismic line with a different method. The first method is using the start and end coordinates. So if we have a straight line and we have the beginning and the end of the line, the coordinate of the beginning and the end, we can use coordinates and fill the point start and point end coordinates to generate the line. The second method is using polyline feature. If we already have a shape file, and that's what I prefer, sometimes not all the 2D line are straight. Sometimes we have like crooked line or something like this. So what I will have, I will choose the polyline feature. If I choose the polyline feature, the tool will automatically ignore these fields, so I don't need to fill anything here. So let's try it, and we will generate a 2D line. So this is the polyline, this is the current coordinate system. The line number, I will say let's make it 15. The first point number, let's say it's 4001. The distance between points 100 meter, and point numbering in increment, let's say it's 1. And the descriptor, for the first line I will choose descriptor R. I also added a new option. It's optional. If you just check this, the code will do the second line. So the option is to create a parallel line. For example, if I have a receiver point and I want to make a source point between, I don't need to run the tool twice. So just run it one time and it will generate the source and receiver point automatically. So parallel line starting point, if I can use the same numbering for the source point or different number. Sorry, for the receiver point. The parallel line point increment, I will take it 1 also. This will be source. And also sometimes we need to offset the source line perpendicularly, so it's not be affected by the movement of vibrator or drilling vehicles. So I can put 5 or -5. In this tool, the 5 will offset the line to the left and the -5 to the right, so it's a little bit opposite. Also environment, I just check the coordinate system and let's run it and we'll see what we will have. Okay, so line already generated. I will make a little bit symbology so I can clearly identify where is the source and receiver point. The symbology will be based on the descriptor. I will remove this one. Format all symbols. Properties, I don't need an outline color. Okay, then. So for R, I will take blue. For S, I will take red. Okay, this is the typical color that we use. Also, I will add the labeling so I can see the labels. Okay. Here we are. So the first point we started with receiver point, the line number 15, the point number is 4001, and the distance between two receiver points is 100, should be 100, and the distance between two source points also 100 as well. And the perpendicular distance here we have is 5 meters. Okay. I also added some fields that calculate, for example, now if I want to check the azimuth for the first 2 points, so it's 39. Okay, so I already added a field that calculate the azimuth for each point. So here we have the azimuth is 39, but this one is decimal degree. Okay, in case we need the azimuth. Also, we added the point x, point y. For that, the descriptor will be, for example, if I selected this one, these two. Okay, so we can see the different. This one is R, this one is S, and this is it. This is if I use the polyline. Now I will redo it by using the coordinate. Okay, I will generate a line here. So let's rerun the tool. Input method, I will say coordinate. Here I will choose point here. So the coordinate is 722.155 and 33.99810. Other point will be here, for example. Seven four zero two eight eight and 3419861. We don't need to input polyline because we already choose a coordinates from here. Also the same procedure. Line number 15, first point number. Distance between points will be 100 point number. I will choose the parallel line, the same one, and this should be S, and let's say it's 5 also. Okay, here we are. So we have the new line here based on the coordinate. Also we can see it has source and receiver values. Okay, thank you for watching and see you next video. One more thing, if you want to know how to add the tool, I will upload it to the Google Drive, and I will put the link in the YouTube comment. So you just need to watch the previous videos. I explain how to add a new tool from to the ArcGIS Pro. So no need to repeat the same step every video. Thank you for watching. See you.